What is happening, everybody? This is your man KR coming to you live and direct out of Chicago. I want to welcome you right now to the quick money system. Myself, along with my good friend Mr. Sid Arnold, put this together to help people to put money into their pocket right now. That's why it's called the quick money system. We're trying to get this money into your pocket quick, fast, and in a hurry. Let's take a real good look at this system so you can understand how you're going to be able to do this very easily, guys. This is going to be the easiest money you ever made. Let's get started. First of all, and again, I would like to welcome you to the quick money system. All you need in order to do what it is I'm about to introduce to you is this: $10. $10, guys, and 3 like-minded friends. That's not a lot of money on no level. $10 and 3 like-minded friends, guys. Anyone can do that. If you're able to pull that off, you're going to be able to receive $70 and $700 gifts from this system over and over and, of course, over again. Okay, let me say that again, just in case you missed it. All you need is 10 bucks. 10 singles, 2 fives, a $10 bill, and 3 like-minded friends just like yourself that's ready to receive $70 and $700 gifts over, and over again, guys. It never stops. All from a $10 donation that you give to your sponsor. Let's move forward. You've just been introduced to a simple yet powerful way to generate a great income by simply working to help other people. If you're somebody that don't like helping others, I can tell you right now that this is not for you. Me and Sid created this to help people to help other people. The quick money system, or QMS as we like to call it, has been designed to help everyone to succeed by simply joining and then sharing this great opportunity with others. The unique two-phase system is not hindered by any programs to download, learn, and then to teach others. We don't have to do all of that. Instead, it is a simple member-to-member gifting project built around a simple yet effective strategy which can help all to generate a powerful source of income. You have nothing to learn, guys, nothing to download, none of that. All you do is get over here and start making money. Let's look at this. The money system has been designed to do one thing. Quick money puts money in your pocket quick. How does it work? Very simple. The simplicity of our QMS is based upon a 4-step formula. Let's look at those 4 steps. Join, 10 bucks. Share with just 3 people. Receive, 70 and $700. Then upgrade. That's all you're doing, guys. When you upgrade, you're going to go into different phases, different levels, which is only 2 phases we have, and some powerful levels. Guys, this can work for anybody that has $10 that they would like to flip into hundreds of dollars. Now, let's look at join. You join QMS by simply sending a one-time $10 gift to your sponsor. Let's look at share. You share the QMS, opportunity with 3 other like-minded individuals. Just simply share QMS with 3 other like-minded. Let's look at like-minded. We're talking about people that can see the vision of taking a $10 bill and flipping it into some powerful income. That's like-minded. You need to work with people like that. Not just people that have $10 that want to come in, because that will get us nowhere. We want you working with like-minded people that's going to also go out and find 3 others that have $10. They can find 3 others. See how it's going to roll downhill? Of course. Receive. Let's look at receive. You will then receive 3 $10 gifts, right, when your 3 people join, because each one of them are going to send you $10. There's no administrative fees. There's no monthly fees. None of that, guys. We're making money easily. That's what it's all about. Then once you've accumulated enough funds, upgrade, go to the next level and take your people with you so that you can make even more money. Let's look at the steps to success. I'm super excited about this, guys. I hope you can hear it in my voice, because when me and Sid was on talking about this earlier and we was putting a strategy together, we got pumped up, guys, because we know that this is an easy way for everybody to make money, and it is a way that can make you money that everybody can afford. 10 bucks, guys. 10 bucks. The chart below is a simple breakdown strategy which depicts, okay, a few simple steps to easily receiving unlimited $70 direct deposits and 700 direct deposits going directly into your account, and that's on phase 2. Let's take a look at our phases, and this is a brief breakdown chart that I put together so I could run through this and show you how easy it is to start receiving these payments and how they can change your life. Now, right here we have our levels, our donations, our referrals, those are the people that we bring in, our gifts received, our upgrades, and our bankable, spendable cash, guys. That's one of the most important sections here, that bankable, spendable cash. We have phase number 1 at the top, and of course, phase number 2 at the bottom. Let's go into phase number 1 so we can get you started and you can see and understand how powerful this thing can be. So, first of all, in level 1, you've already gave your sponsor $10. You're in here, you're ready to earn. You're going to share this great opportunity with 3 other people. When you share with those 3 other people, those 3 people are going to give you $10. That's going to give you're going to now have a total of 30 bucks. From that $30, you don't want to run out and spend it just yet. You're going to upgrade. Remember our step up there where it says upgrade? Upgrade into the next level of this phase, which is phase 1, for $25. And I'm going to show you the benefits of that. Now, you're going to have $5 left over. Okay, cool. You're looking good. You got $5 left over. But watch how this thing turns around and shifts into large amounts of money. So what's going to happen now, when your 3 people duplicate your efforts, because duplication is the key to success over here, when they duplicate your efforts, with each one of them sending you $25. The same way you went into level 2, they're following you, your 3 people. That's 25 times those same great 3 people. There's no new people. It's the same 3 great people that you brought in. That is a total of $75 when you multiply that 3 times that 25. From that, you're going to reactivate this level. You're going to reactivate this phase by sending another $10 so you can continue to earn these amounts over on this phase. When you take that $10 from that 75, that subtraction is going to leave you 65 bucks. When you add that 65 to that 5, that gives you 70. That is where we get the 70 and 700 from. You're going to have $70 left over, and this by you giving 10 bucks back to your sponsor, and you're going to set yourself up to receive this 70 over and over and over again. From how much? $10. How many people? Just 3 people, guys. Look at that power. Let's move forward. Now, what you can do is this. This is what I did, right? Once I cycled twice at the $70, that gave me $140. Well, what I did was I took $100 of that and went into the next phase, everything from profit. Awesome, guys, everything from profit. And I banked $40 after that. Guys, that is amazing. Now let's go into the serious money. Your 3 people following you now going up into this next phase, which is phase 2. We have the same levels, donations, referrals, gifts received, upgrades, and the banking categories. These are here. Now, what happens is you're going to go into this for 100 from your profits. When your 3 people follow you duplicating your efforts, because once again, duplication is key, at that $100 level, that multiplication will give us $300. From the 300, you're going to upgrade for $250. Remember that upgrade because you want to make more money. When you upgrade from that $250, that's going to leave you 50 bucks. But check this out. Here come your 3 people hot on your trail because they want to make money too. They're going to upgrade for the $250, giving you a total of $750. This is what you're going to do. Reactivate this particular phase so that you can receive these $700 payments over and over. When you reactivate this page at $100, subtracting that from your $750, that's going to leave you $650. Add that $650 with the previous $50 in spillover, that's where we get our $700, guys. Super simple. Nothing hard about what it is we're doing. We're paying 10 bucks, sharing with 3 people. You know 3 people with $10. Bring them in and start flipping these large numbers. That's all it is to it, guys. Nothing hard about this, nothing complicated, nothing to download, upload, anything like that. Just come in with $10, share that 10 with your sponsor, then you start receiving your payments from your people as the sponsor, and you're going to walk away with $70 and $700 over and over and over and, of course, over again. So this is your man, Kaschmiere Rich, and on behalf of my partner, Mr. Sid Money Arnold, we would like to welcome you in advance to the Quick Money System. Get back to the person that shared this video with you so that you can get started, and then you share this video with many people as you possibly can to help them to become financially free. This is your man Kaschmiere Rich, and on behalf of my partner Sid Money Arnold, I would like to welcome you to Quick Money System QMS. You have a great day and see you on the inside. Take care.